Crack open the box of that model train. Pieces scattered like life from a hurricane.
To lay, and I'm in the hobby room again at the bench, and this is another video of something I bought myself from Temu again. And I bought it out, well, Jackie got me these bits off Temu, but I do get stuff as well. But yeah, so we've got these bits. We'll go to this one. And in the hobby, with being a train, you always need a pin vise. So we'll zoom in. There we go. You're up close. I've got a pin vise. I have got a pin vise. And it comes with drill bits as well. All different drill bits. And then all those drill bits that are in there do fit in it. I know that. Because I've got one a bit like it. I've got a big pile of drill bits. You've got, let me get a piece of card. Just bear with me, or a piece of paper. And we'll put them all on the paper. So there we go, they're all on the paper. And there's the pin vise. So we'll go for the bigger one first. Basically undo the collar. And we got, oh, no. They all go in there because you've got that, it's interchangeable. There, it's interchangeable. We can go dead tiny. That's what we're going to do. We'll go tiny. There we go. Wherever the collar's gone. Over there. Collar decided to run off. There we go. Ideal for track pins. So we'll zoom in again. And all you do, take it out. So it's a little pin vise from Temu. And all of those drill bits that it comes with do fit in this. But it's got different diameters. We'll take that out. It's got the change it again. And look, it fits that one in. It fits that one in. So, fits that one in. It fits them all in. And at this end, it's got the one for the bigger thing, I think. Yep, it has. It's got the one for the bigger. So it's got the bigger one. There. So all you do, you take that out, take that out, put that in. That one goes in that end, then you put that there, and you're ready to go with it. So this is the pin vise I got from Temu. Like and subscribe. So see you on the next one. Bye for now. That was the Temu pin vise. Bye for now.
Crack open the box of that model train. Pieces scattered like life from a hurricane.